At the same time that these objects were appearing here, one of them was stuck on the sun surface, captured by the stereo camera EIT-2A4. Check it out. That is one huge object. Not only that, but you can see the surface, something weird on the surface of the sun. Appears to be a pair of eyes right there, a big face. And look at the structure of space on top of that. Must be some kind of holographic projection or something. Right eye, left eye, the nose, the mouth. You can see it, and the object has a sphere on one side and another sphere on the other side. This is one of those electromagnetic objects that you see here, the tubular type. You can see that it comes in different flavors, different shapes. And this is the optical image of the same month and the same day. That was December 12, 1999. That only came up only one frame. Boom! At that moment, the sun started rotating vertical, totally wrong. That means that those objects can do things to the sun. They can manipulate the sun. Well, the sun is the size of that white circle. Just imagine, these vehicles are not even next to the sun, they're behind the sun, so I can only assume that you can put the sun inside one of those vehicles. Look at this triple deck, and the wedding cake, and the other one that can't even describe that shape. But there are several of them that look exactly like this one. And plus, when they are energized, you can only see the brightness like a neon tube, like you're seeing on this optical image, like that. So at that moment that this object appeared, look, there is one huge object right next to the sun, right there, and another one, well, a lot of them are next to the sun, but this one is on the surface, just parked there. I wish somebody would do a image refinement to see what that craft really looked like. I might do it myself. I'll try. This is just unbelievable that we are being denied the truth. And it's just, I mean, this is a show, either a show of force, or they're just telling us, hey, you better look out and see who really are out there, who controls this solar system, and who your daddy is here. There's no God, by no means. Just look at the size of this object right next to the sun, this one right here. Which for some reason those images are not in this stereo set of images. They cut off all those images out of the frame. I only cut that one. But you can see hundreds and hundreds of them appearing and disappearing in a flash. Just like in this one. Amazing. It's just simply incredible. It's just hard to digest that this is happening every day, and we don't know nothing about. I mean, I have caught so many. Oh, by the way, there is another image of a pair of eyes right there. Look. A huge pair of eyes. That's the part that really freaked me out. Why those eyes appear in every image of the space in the solar system. And it's reptilian looking eyes with a vertical pupil. As the monuments on the sun, on the moon, they're just like that everywhere. And you see like projection, holographic projection of faces, and huge faces. It's so, they're transparent. It's hard to see them unless you really seen them before. You will never guess that thing is there. Because people do not study the images. People are just, I don't know what's wrong with humans. It's gotta be some kind of control. They're controlling our thinking, there must be some kind of electromagnetic brainwave control that people are not awake. Look at that, another set of eyes right there. It's just incredible. I don't know, I'm doing my part. Well, I get some stupid comment saying that, well, really nobody makes any scientific comment or anything that can relate to the images. It's like people can think. You look for comments that are, to see the input from people. It's not there. It's just simply not there. People are not thinking. They're just, I don't know how we're gonna progress at this pace. It's hard to believe that this is gonna be going anywhere anytime soon. Look what the sun was doing when the objects appeared. It went vertical. Look, it started rotating vertical exactly at the moment where these people appear, all this craft. And in a flash it went back to rotate normal, but then you see objects appearing and disappearing in a fraction of a second. And I caught that object just by going frame by frame, because this whole thing happened in microseconds. It's just not one frame, that's it. Boom, boom. Well, this object took like 2 frames, maybe. But it's just that quick. These entities moves at such a speed that we are like standing still. That's why we cannot see them. They moving in a different frequency, a lot faster. And that's what Dr. Begrum was saying in his book, that these people use electromagnetism to control everything. Time and space. They can build solar systems, they can build moons, planets, they can build suns. These people can do it all. Just look at the size of the craft. I mean, just imagine you can put the sun inside one of those craft. Imagine what they can do. Dr. Nassim Haramein says that the sun is made out of water. It's water inside, and I believe that could be true, because if you think about hydrogen in water, it's so powerful, especially a bowl of water that size, 1,000,000 times bigger than Earth. Look at that electromagnetic vehicle right there, just like the ones we see in many other moons and presentations, in Iapetus, in Saturn, Jupiter. But nothing compared to this one. This is like the big enchiladas. I mean, bigger than that, I've seen only another picture that the craft was like 50 times bigger than the sun. I mean, you can put all those craft in that one that I saw in one frame. It flashed, and the sun went crazy too in that one. It's hard to fathom this, this thing. Look, there's another craft and a structure. It's like a tube coming out of the sun, some kind of electromagnetic thing. It looks like a structure. I'm pretty sure that NASA has a lot of things that we have no even any idea that things like that can exist. But here's one of the examples. This is one that they let go unknowingly.